Hi friends, as part of my tutorial, I'm planning to cover Angular. So Angular is a framework which is used to build a single page client side applications. So it is an open source framework. If you're already aware of HTML, CSS and JavaScript or TypeScript, you will find easy to learn Angular. So let's go into the tutorial. So basic definition for Angular is a open source framework for building the single page client side applications. So if you want to code Angular, you should have some softwares in your system. First, it is a Node. So Node is a runtime environment for a JavaScript. Usually, we need a browser to execute the JavaScript code. So if you want to execute your JavaScript code in your system without a browser, you need a Node.js. So Node.js is built based on V8 engine, which is already present in the Chrome browser. So V8 engine is already in Chrome browser. So similarly, Node is developed based on the V8 engine. So if you want to download Node.js, you need to use nodejs.org link. So s- in nodejs.org link, based on your OS, you can down based on your OS and how many bit system, you can download a Node.js. And I have already installed a Node.js in my system. To know the Node.js version, you need to give node-v. So I have a Node 18 version in my system. So whenever you download Node.js, along with the Node.js, npm will get installed automatically. So npm is a default node package manager for a node. So if you want to install any tools or libraries or packages for your Angular application, you can use npm. So if you want to develop an Angular project, you can't write the code from the scratch. You can't write from scratch for the configurations and components, everything you can't write by your own. So we should have some commands to create our Angular project. So Angular CLI gives us the commands to develop a Angular project, and also to create a component we have commands in Angular CLI. To install a Angular CLI, we need a npm is already inbuilt in Node. So npm install -g @angular/cli is the command to install Angular CLI. So -g denotes it's installed globally. So I already installed Angular CLI in my system. So to check the Angular CLI version, you need to use Angular ng version. So this command gives us the Angular CLI version in our system. So if you see here, I have used Angular 15 in my system and Node 18 and package npm package manage Node package manager 9.5.1 in my system. So then after installing Node and Angular CLI, we need a code editor to develop to write our code. Usually we use Visual Studio Code for Angular project development. So you can install the Angular you can install Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. So this is the website for downloading Visual Studio Code. You can download from there. So while developing Angular project, you might be getting some doubts, and you need to know the concepts also. You can refer angular.io website for the concepts, and all the tutorials you can refer here. So you can post your questions also in the community, and these are the documents, Angular documents, you can refer for developing an Angular project. So if you like the channel, please subscribe to it. I will be posting more and more videos in this channel related to Angular. Thank you.